Hello and welcome to another session. This session is going to be about cloud compute. In general terms, compute is processing data. For instance, just to do a simple addition 1 plus 1 equal to 2, to the extent of processing complex analytical data requires compute power. In traditional environment, we have CPUs installed in our systems physically, while in cloud, the data will be processed in remote systems over internet. Various providers offer different computing services, which is a mix of virtual machines, containers, and so on. We'll see them in detail in provider-specific sessions. There are various types of compute in terms of cloud. The basic virtual machines are nothing but your normal computing environment accessed virtually. So they provide all the features as your physical computer. Containers are a form of operating system virtualization. You can put all the necessary executables, binary code, libraries, and configuration files and run it in any operating system, which makes them more lightweight and OS independent. Next is fairly new topic in the market right now, serverless. It doesn't mean that there are no servers. It just means that you need not manage the servers, not even provision them. The cloud providers are fully responsible for the infrastructure. You just have to upload your code and the rest is taken care by the provider, which is really cool for a developer. There are many advantages of using compute in cloud, but to list a few, they result in huge cost savings because you pay only for what you use and there is no need to guess the capacity. Setting up the system is very simple, quick, as you don't have to purchase any hardware and it's all done through web interface. It is also easily maintainable as most of the job is done by the provider and your responsibilities are very less. Scaling up and down is a matter of minutes or even seconds in cloud computing, as it can all be done by clicking few buttons instead of actually purchasing and installing systems. Still, it has few disadvantages. As always, you will need an internet connection to use the services. Also, there is a lack of control of the systems in case of serverless, which could be a bit annoying at times if the solution is not chosen wisely. Also, you should be cautious while using it as you could leave the servers up and running by mistake, which should cost you a fortune. Okay, how do cloud providers charge you for compute services? Well, it depends on the provider. Few providers charge you per hour usage and few do per minute and even few do per second level. It also depends on the size and the instance type of your machine. There are also various pricing models which providers offer, like reserved, on demand, and stuff, which we'll see in detail when we have a focus session on it. And in case of serverless, the charges are based on the number of requests and the amount of time your code is being executed. We are at the end of the session, so let's do a quick recap. Cloud compute is clusters of CPUs working together to process data, allowing to develop, deploy, run, and scale applications and workloads. There are various types of cloud compute options provided by different providers like virtual machines, containers, serverless. And the various advantages of using cloud compute, it includes cost savings, quick setup and easy maintenance, and also it increases the scalability of the system. It also comes with few disadvantages, like you're dependent on the internet connection, you don't have the control of the systems always, and you should be cautious while using the servers. And the charges depend on the various providers, and also it depends on the size, type, and the pricing model of your system. In the coming sessions, we'll continue with cloud components covering networks followed by security. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.